If you are not using Amazon business account, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. You shouldn't be doing that if you are a modern business owner and when it's all for free. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and in today's video we are talking about the benefits of using Amazon business account rather than personal account. Now if you would like to check it out, you can do so from the first link in the description below. So Amazon is a name that we all know. It's a giant in online shopping. Millions of orders are placed every day, but Amazon is not only meant for consumers. It also offers solutions for businesses, one of which is Amazon Business. It's a B2B marketplace for business owners. There are certain products that you need for your offline store, your office, your studio, or you have an online store, and there are certain products that are only available on Amazon and maybe cheaper on Amazon. So what if I tell you that you could potentially save even more on that? Yep, that's possible by updating your existing account to Amazon business account at no additional cost. So why not? Here are all the benefits of using Amazon business account. First being exclusive discounts for Amazon business users. Yes, Amazon have sales and promotion for consumers every now or then, but if you are Amazon business account user, whole Amazon changes. You get secret discounts that are not available for consumers and are exclusive to the business owners. Like you can see, if I access Amazon from my regular account, this works on all the countries. I'm using an Amazon.in account for this demonstration. As you can see, there are no crazy sales. But take a look at this. When I access it from my business account, I will get 10% cashback by using this code, which is exclusive to Amazon business account users. This promo won't work for regular customers. It's a business exclusive deal. It's like saving $10 on every $100. Isn't that great? And year on year, that would accumulate a lot. I mean, this is just an example. Second benefit of having Amazon business account is quantity-based discounts. Yes, Amazon offers quantity-based discounts to Amazon business users. Like here you can see the price of one item, and if I buy 2 units, it would cost me this. Now if I buy more than 5 units, it would cost me this. See? Now the next could be a major advantage for a lot of people, and that is tax exemption. If you have an Amazon business account, you can claim tax input. Like if your country charges like GST, VAT or whatever form of tax, and you need invoices to claim those taxes, then if you have a business account, you will get the invoices that you can use to claim tax input. Like I bought this LG Ultrafine 5K display from Amazon using my business account. The price was 50,000 rupees, and if you look closely, you will see 7,600 rupees of taxes. So I claimed this tax from the government, and the final price for me was 42,000 rupees. Now you need to contact your accountant to see how to file the claim, but as soon as you place the order on Amazon, it will give you the invoice immediately, and then you can submit that to government. Now this will work for most countries like US, UK, Canada, and I will leave the link below to sign up. Another advantage that would impact your business in a good way is that you can get 45 to 60 days of credit line. You know, you can use credit cards, debit cards, or whatever form of payment on Amazon. They accept every form of payment. But do you know, if you are a business account user, you can get 45 to 60 days of credit line. That is, if you place the order today, you will pay for it after 45 or 60 days. Isn't it awesome? Like credit card gives you like 30 days of credit, but here you can get up to 60 days. Now something you should note is that you would need an Amazon Business Prime account, which I would say it's totally worth it. Along with all the amazing features of business account, you will get credit line of 60 days, fast and free shipping, cloud storage, tools and reporting, user management, and much more. And recently American Express made the deal even sweeter. If you have Amazon Business American Express card, which you can sign up from Amazon, you will get 90 days of credit. That's crazy. Or you can take 5% of cashback. Even crazier. See, that's why I was pushing you so hard to give it a try. And it's free, so nothing to lose. As I mentioned, you could take advantage of 60 days of credit line, or you have the option to claim 3% of cashback on your order, which is also jaw-dropping saving. The choice is yours which way you want to save your money. Not just saving money, but having business account will help you in management of your business. There are certain tools provided in the account that will help you manage your orders, reporting, and analyzing your spending. Last but not least, you get the ability to add employees or team members who can place orders on your behalf. And later you can approve those orders from your Amazon account. Also, you get to make order policies for your team members so you can avoid nuisance. And that's pretty much it. Those were all the benefits of having business account. Now if that doesn't excite you, then I don't know what will. So if you want to start saving big on your orders, then definitely sign up today from the link in the description. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if it was, please leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.